Well, a royal wedding mug. I'm on the search for Charles and Diana, but Churchill ones, which were a little more colourful than this one. It's quite unusual though. Spotted this when we were looking through the various selection in shops on our travels. 1981, of course, royal wedding, Charles and Diana. I think they used their police mugshots for this, didn't they? Sepia toned, not particularly flattering, particularly of Lady Di in this one. Um, Prince of Wales feathers, a little bit of colour in here, but it just looks a bit dire, doesn't it? But it's in fine condition and made by Portmeirion. So well respected and collected pottery. Stoke-on-Trent. The back of it actually gets better. Turn it round. Rather more decorative. I think if I was going to put it on display, I'd have had this side on it with that pink Welsh dragon and the commemorating the marriage of HRH, the Prince of Wales and Lady Diana, 29th of July. It's 3.5 inches tall, in absolutely fine condition. There's a very tiny little amount of early just glaze cracking through this little photo motif at the front. I don't like this very much. I think it's not very complimentary or flattering. But anyway, each to their own. Somebody will have a set of them and be looking for something a little unusual, or maybe as a joke gift. Who knows? We'll sell it, I'm sure. Portmeirion, 1981. Earthenware china, drinking mug, not being used and in very good condition. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Do follow the description link below if you'd love to own this. Good luck to you. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.